So now what we're doing is we're focusing on the riparian zone of this particular stream. This is the stream that we've been at right here. And all this vegetation right here that we're seeing along the side is an area that occasionally gets flooded. This particular stream has pretty steep banks. So trying to get an indicator or a view of the bank. It's a pretty steep bank. I'll show you on the other side where you could see it really nicely. It's a very, very steep bank. There's a lot of erosion on that side. And because of this, this particular area doesn't have a really well-established riparian habitat or riparian zone. A lot of it in this particular stream is going to be these grasses that are growing over here. But all this grass that you see on the bank of it right here is areas that floods occasionally when water levels are really high. And it's kind of a transition zone from the aquatic stream habitat to our terrestrial habitat, which is going to be up this way. And you could see a nice little forest, a hemlock forest up this way right here. So this is all going to be riparian habitat as we work our way from the stream up to the terrestrial area. My guess would be, based on this region right here, that this is kind of the extent of the riparian zone. The right hand of the screen, you're seeing one end of it, and my guess is that as we walk towards the forest, this is all going to probably be riparian habitat until we get to right about here. And this, I would say, would be the end of the riparian habitat. We're going to go up this little hill, and the dominant vegetation starts to change to more of that skunk cabbage. And then we are getting our way up to some sedges and some more permanent grasses, and then ultimately some shrubs and hemlock trees and stuff like that. So that's a great example of the riparian habitat.